Living organisms and their surroundings. In forest, wild animals, wild plants, dry leaves. On mountains, mountain goat, ice, snow, pine tree, yak. In the desert, cactus, sand, camel. In the sea, aquatic animals, aquatic plants, shells, salty water, corals. Habitat and adaptation. Habitat. The surrounding where an organism lives is called its habitat. The organism depends for their air, water, food, shelter, and other needs is their habitat. Adaptation. The presence of specific features which enables a plant or an animal to live in its surrounding is called adaptation. Adaptation in camel. 1. Long legs to keep away from hot sand. 2. Excrete small amount of urine. 3. Stores water in hump and can live without water for several days. Adaptation in fish. 1. Streamlined body which help in swimming. 2. It has gills to absorb oxygen dissolved in water. Types of habitat. Terrestrial habitat. Plants and animals live on land. Example forest, desert, mountain, grassland, coastal areas. Aquatic habitat. Plants and animals live in water, ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. Components of habitat. Biotic component. Living things, plants and animals. Abiotic component. Non-living things, example air, water, heat, sunlight, rocks. The abiotic component are important for the growth of plants and animals. Various terrestrial habitat. Desert. 1. Camels have long legs. 2. Rats and snakes live in burrows to keep away from intense heat of the day. 3. Cactus have long roots to go deep inside the soil to absorb water. 4. Leaves are in the form of spines, causes very less transpiration. 5. Photosynthesis takes place in stems. 6. Stem take covered with waxy layer which helps to retain water. Mountain region. 1. Very cold and windy habitat. 2. Trees are cone shaped and have slopy branches. 3. Leaves are needle like which helps to slide off snow or rainwater. 4. Animals have thick skin for or fur to protect from extreme cold. 5. Mountain goats have strong hooves for running up the rocky slopes. Grasslands. 1. Lion is brown colored, which helps him to hide in dry grasslands. 2. Eyes in front of lion face helps to locate prey. 3. Deers have strong teeth to chew hard plants. 4. Long ears of deer help to protect it against predators. Predators. Animals which catch prey. Example lion. Prey. The animal which is to be caught. Example deer. Aquatic habitat. Ocean. 1. Streamlined body of fish help to swim. 2. Gills in the fish help to absorb oxygen dissolved in water. 3. Dolphins and whales don't have gills. They breathe to their nostrils or blowholes, which are present on the upper part of the of head help it to breathe in air. They can stay in water for a long time without breathing. Ponds and lakes. Plants. Roots are reduced, stems are long and hollow to reach the surface of water. 2. Some plants are submerged. Their leaves are highly divided to protect it from flowing water. 3. Frog lives in pond as well as land. 4. Frog have webbed feet which help to swim in water. Characteristics of living things. 1. They can grow. 2. They all need food. 3. All living things respire. A. Body obtained energy from food through respiration. B. Earthworm breathe through skins. C. Fish breathe through gills. D. Plants breathe through leaves during dry day and night. E. Photosynthesis take place only during daytime. 4. All living things respond to stimuli. Stimuli, changes in our surroundings that makes us to respond to them are called stimuli. Plants, 9 o'clock flower bloom only during daytime. 2. Mimosa indica or touch me not leaves fold on touching it. 3. Plants turn towards sunlight in dark room. 5. All living things excrete. 6. All living things reproduce their own food. Animals 1. By hatching egg. 2. By giving birth to their young ones. Plants 1. By sowing seed. 2. By different parts of plant. Potato by bird, rose plant, money plant, stem cutting. 7. Living things move. Animals move from one place to another. Plants blowing of flowers. 8. Living things die. Exercise question number 1. What is habitat? Answer. The surrounding where an organism lives is called its habitat. This depend on for their air, water, food, shelter and other needs is called their habitat. Question number 2. How are cactus adapted to survive in desert? Answer. Cactus have long roots to go deep inside the soil to absorb water. 2. Leaves are in the form of spine, causes very less transpiration. 3. Photosynthesis take place in stem. 4. Stem take covered with waxy layer which help to retain water. Question number 3. Explain why speed is important for survival in grassland for animals that live there. Answer. In the grassland, mainly grass are found. Predators like lion and tiger fed upon other animals such as deer. To protect them from predators, animals adapt themselves by increasing their speed to escape from predators. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. 1. The presence of specific feature which enables a plant or animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. 2. The habitat of the plant and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. 3. The habitat of plants and animals that live in land are called terrestrial habitat. 4. Soil and water and air are the abiotic factors of habitat. 5. Changes in our surroundings that make us respond to them are called stimuli. Question number 5. Which of the non-living things listed below are once part of living thing? Butter, leather, wool, cooking oil, apple and rubber were once a part of living thing. Question number 6. Which of these things in the following list are non-living? Plow, swing machine, radio and boat are non-living thing. Question number 7. Give an example of non-living thing which shows any two characteristics of living thing. Answer. Car shows movement and consumes energy which are the characteristics of living things. Question number 8. List the common characteristics of living things. Answer. 1. They can grow. 2. They all need food. 3. All living things respire. 4. All living things respond to stimuli.